Do you think AI can make a good dessert? We'll find out today. People are scared robots are going to take over the world. AI is going crazy. Well, we're a cooking channel, so we wanted to put it to good use. So we wanted to see if it could make a good gluten-free dessert. And I wanted to see if it could use passion fruit. So it came back with a gluten-free passion fruit mousse. Guys, it feels a bit weird, but I'm going to take advice from a computer and they're going to tell me what to do and we'll see if it tastes any good. So with our passion fruit mousse, what we first do is we get our beautiful passion fruit pulp and we put it in our pot. We've just got the pot on a low heat and we're going to put half of our sugar in there. I've got monk fruit, but you can use whatever you choose. Put half in there and we're going to stir that sugar until it's dissolved. Doesn't take too long to dissolve it at all. Could take 30 seconds. So there we go. And we're already nearly there. Just makes it a little lighter color. I can already smell the passion fruit in the air. And I think that's done. Then guys, the next step is we get our 4 beautiful eggs. We got these from our chickens. We put them in a nice bowl. Make sure it's not too small. Put the remaining sugar. And we are going to whisk that up until it's nice and creamy. And there we go. Seconds, mate. What a good recipe. Guys, every step here is just so simple, so easy. Thank you, AI. What a great computer. So next step is, this is quite warm, but we're going to slowly mix it into our eggs. Just do a little bit at a time because it is nice and hot and you don't want anything to curdle. So just slowly put it in. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking nice. The smell is incredible. I go a bit more. There's so many seeds in these. We've got these passion fruit from our friend's garden, which is pretty cool. And there we go. Alrighty. So we've mixed all our beautiful passion fruit into our eggs. And then AI says put it back into the pot. So we're going to put it back into the pot on a low temperature and we're just going to constantly whisk that for about 5 to 7 minutes until we can put our spoon on it, and when it comes out the spoon stays coated. So guys, I've been whisking for about 5-ish minutes. It didn't take too long at all. Mr. AI, mate, I could have done way more. But I think it's all ready, so we'll just check it. And if it sticks to the spoon fairly well, nice and thick, we can, oh, perfect. What we're going to do now is we're going to let it cool to about room temperature, then we can put our whipped cream into it. Guys, our passion fruit mixture is nice and cool. I actually put it in the fridge just to be a little bit quicker, and now it is room temperature. And wouldn't you know that silly AI forgot to tell us what to do with the vanilla essence. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put our beautiful vanilla essence into my whipped cream. Now I have whipped my cream already. Oh, it's going a bit slow. I whipped my cream already so you didn't have to see it on the screen. But yeah, you need some whipped cream. So we'll put our vanilla essence in it. And what we're going to do is just fold our beautiful passion fruit mixture into our cream. There we go. Thank you, Mr. AI. So I'll just put a few spoonfuls on there. And then I'll get my spatula and I'll mix it through. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix it through and then we're going to put it in the fridge for just a couple of hours to let it cool down and make it nice and moussey. So I'll put the rest of the passion fruit into the mixture and then we'll slowly, carefully fold it through. And there we go. Looking beautiful, looking nice and yummy. I think Mr. AI has done a good job. Let's go put it in the fridge and I'll see you in a couple of hours. Guys, I've done it. I put it in the fridge 1 hour and now I am ready to try my food that AI helped me with. Let's see if it's any good. It looks good. It's fairly firm. And let's see if it tastes amazing. Got a bit on my lip. AI, it tastes great. I wouldn't say it's exactly a mousse. It's more like a passion fruit curd, but it is beautiful. It's creamy, it's sweet. I think everyone would like it. So for me, Mr. AI, I think that is a 10 out of 10. I think we need to try this again. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And guys, if you try this passion fruit curd, I know you'll like it as much as me. Yummy.